Hello student, today we will learn 8 family sounds words. Let's start. Bat, 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 B-A-T, bat, cat, 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 C-A-T, cat, S-A-T, sat, sat, S-A-T, sat, M-A-T, mat, mat, M-A-T, mat, H-A-T, hat, hat, H-A-T, hat, R-A-T, rat, rat, R-A-T, rat, F-A-T, fat, fat, F-A-T, fat.
Please like, share, and subscribe Little Kiddos Classes for more such video.